Hello students. In the previous video we have discussed about discovery of Cara address. Here to do the discovery of Cara address, it uses two different methods. One is socialization and another one is agent advertisement method. So it uses two different methods to do that. Next step in this one is registration of Cara address. So this is divided into 5 different steps. In each step we will what it is doing we will discuss. In brief we will explain or we will discuss exactly how it happens. Suppose assume that how the Cara address is registered by a mobile node when it moves to the foreign agent. See exactly what is the use also we will discuss. What is the use of this Cara address also we have to understand. So it is given in the first definition. The mobile node makes use of registration procedure to intimate the Cara address to the home agent. Means see here two rectangular boxes, the big boxes you can see. One is foreign network and this is a home network. And these two networks are connected with their respective agents. Home network by home agent and foreign network by foreign agent. Now, when a mobile moves or node moves to a foreign network, how the home agent will identify the availability of the mobile node, where exactly or in which network it is available, that needs to be identified. And to do that, it needs a Cara address. What happens? The Cara address is generated in the foreign network and it is intimated to home agent. Means whenever certain call or some data packets has to be transferred to that particular home node, mobile node, then home agent will use that Cara address to connect with the respective foreign network. So that is why it is very important for a mobile node to register the Cara address. I hope you got an idea what is the need of registering Cara address. Okay, and it consists of these steps you can see here. If no mobile node travels to the foreign network, it registers with the foreign agent by sending a registration request message. Okay, that means what? Here in the first step you can see, as soon as the mobile node enters into the foreign network, it will send a registration request to the foreign agent. See, these are the 5 steps we can see here. As soon as it goes into the foreign network, it has to register there. So when you come to the college, you register yourself, right? Like that, it is very important for the mobile node to register to the foreign network and get a Cara address. So that is what is done here. In the first step, the registration of the registration request is sent by the mobile node to the foreign agent, because the foreign agent is the one which is giving a Cara address to the mobile node. This is the first step. And what it will include is when it requests, it includes the permanent IP address of the mobile host. Means home network host, it will provide one IP address to the mobile, that it will include. And also it will include the address of the home agent. So both are sent to get the Cara address by mobile node to the foreign agent or a foreign network. Now, second step, how it is done? You can see here, second step. Now it is the responsibility of the foreign agent because to send the registration request to the home agent. Home agent address will be provided by the mobile node to the foreign agent. It will take that and it has to do the registration request. How it is doing, you will see. Foreign agent, what it is doing is, it is doing a registration process on behalf of mobile host by sending a registration request. So here you can see the second step, it is sending the registration request to the home agent. Now, what it contains, that is the question here. It is containing the IP address of the mobile node. The mobile node's IP address is never left out. Whatever the IP address is there, that is permanent. It will contain, means whenever it is trying to register with the home agent, it will contain the mobile node, address, IP address of the mobile node, and the IP address provided by the foreign agent to identify this node by a home agent in foreign. So these are two things provided to the home agent by foreign agent, and it is registered into the home agent. So there it will get a care of address. That is what we call care of address. Now let us discuss about next three steps: third step, fourth step, and fifth step. I will discuss this in a single slide. In the third step, what happens? As soon as the home agent receives the registration request, it updates. It updates mobility binding. So there you can see mobility binding table is there by associating care of address of a mobile node, by providing the care of address of the mobile node. Means it will be the care of address. So it will tag, or you can say it's a binding process, you know. The home address, the care of address, these are all binded, and when the data packets are transferred, then it will be used. So the care of address, mobile binding is done by associating care of address of the mobile node with the home address. Yes. So care of address is provided by the foreign agent, which will include the mobile node's IP address and the address assigned by the foreign agent to that particular packet, or that particular packet what is sent by the foreign agent. It will add the home address also. It will add the home address also, where it belongs. That is the home to which this particular mobile node belongs. That it will tag. Okay, and then it will be sent as an acknowledgement to the foreign agent. That is the step number 4. That is step number 4. This is step number 3, and this is step number 4. Once it is reached to the foreign agent, the foreign agent updates the visitors list by inserting the entry for the mobile node and replies to the mobile node. So here you can see, when the foreign agent receives the acknowledgement from the home agent, it will add it into the visitor list. So these are the visitor list. You must be doing this when you are going for some a fest or anywhere in a different college. They are just writing down the visitor list who came from outside. Okay, later they can contact. Similar process is here. Okay, it is added in the visitor list. Okay, this person is belonging to this network, not belonging. He is in this network. This is his address. All these details will be added into the visitor list, and then its acknowledgement is sent to the mobile node. That is when this mobile node will be active in the foreign node. This was regarding the registration of care of address, and thank you for watching this.